Raw mango dal. In a pressure cooker, add 200 grams of washed masoor dal. Add 1 tsp of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 tsps of turmeric powder. Add few curry leaves and 5 to 6 green chilies. Add 4 chopped tomatoes. Add 1 raw mango pieces along with seed. Add 1 glass of water and mix them nicely. Close lid and cook for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, remove excess vapor and open lid. Masoor dal and raw mango pieces are cooked well. Mix and mash dal nicely. Dal is mashed well. Add salt to taste. Add 2 glasses of water or as per required for desired consistency. Give a nice mix and let it boil on high flame. Boil for 5 minutes. Dal is boiled nicely. Give a mix and turn off flame. Heat pan and add 2 tsps of oil. Add 1 tsp of mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Add few curry leaves and few sliced garlic. Mix them and fry. Add 5 to 6 dry red chilies. Add 2 pinches of hing. Give a quick mix and turn off flame. Add tempering or nagar in dal. Tasty and tangy raw mango dal is done. Time to serve tangy and mouth-watering raw mango dal. Enjoy tasty and delicious Hyderabadi raw mango dal with plain rice or bagara rice. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.